The most important thing you need to do after a work injury is report it. Most people don't, but that is the most important part of the process that you need to be proactive in to start it. Otherwise, that's when their problems come in, and that's unfortunately when people have to contact me because their employers aren't covering them because there was an injury and they did not report it. The time limit for filing a workers' comp claim is generally a year in Louisiana. It kind of depends on if you have a current claim going or if you have to file an actual lawsuit. But generally, it's a year from the date of your injury that you actually have to file a claim in Louisiana. Anybody with a work injury that calls here, I'm happy to speak with them, even if they're not having problems, even if they're just have questions. Happy to talk to them. Of course, there's no charge for it. Any way I can help them, I'll let them know. If I can help them and they just need answers to questions, I'd be happy to do so. Any work-related injury falls under workers' comp. If you're injured on the job, it's going to be workers' comp. Under Louisiana workers' comp laws, you can use your own doctor. You are entitled to a choice of physician in each specialty. The insurance company is also entitled to their choice, but I highly advise you to make your own choice and to get your doctor that you're comfortable with and get checked out and see actually what's wrong as far as medically with you. Some employers actually try to just keep you with their doctor, which is why I highly recommend to go to your own doctor, because we have, of course, company doctors who employers would send their injured employees to just to get them back to work and not to actually find out what's going on with their injury and try to fix it so they're able to get back to the normal things that they were doing. In Louisiana, everyone that is injured on the job is automatically covered under the workers' comp, basically umbrella. The only way you can get out of that out from under that umbrella and to sue your employer in what they call tort is to prove that they did something intentionally to harm you. And generally the case is that you're going to be under workers' comp, and it's tough to prove that intentional aspect of your employer harming you. The difference between negligence and intentional, if your employer left a 2x4 out on the ground and you tripped over it, that's negligence, that's workers' comp. If your employer takes that same 2x4 and cracks you over the back of the head, that's intentional and you're able to sue them in tort. That's how far apart they go.